Hello, people. So today we are going to hike Turtle Island, Gueshan Island, which is in Elan, and we are very excited about this. Especially, I am very excited about this because since I came to Taiwan, like past 4 years, I wanted to go here, but hiking in Turtle Island requires a certain like it requires permit, so you need to book 1 month prior. Uh, and finally I could book it through Klook, and the cost is around 1500 per person, and you don't have to do anything. The Klook.com takes care of everything, right from your permit to the ferry ride and everything. And right now I'm standing behind museum. We'll talk about that later, and I think it's time to move towards the ferry point where we'll take our tickets and uh, wear life jackets and so on. So after you book your package through Klook.com, you have to they give you a voucher, and you take that voucher number, and they have a blue and white tent right over there. That's how they describe. That's the meeting point. let's talk something about this island. So basically this island, on Wikipedia it says that this is an only active volcano in Taiwan, although as a geologist I would say that this is not an active volcano, this is a dormant volcano, which means that it might erupt at some point of time. The last eruption according to internet was in 1765. Although there is no volcanic activity, as in there is no lava eruption, they do have like these active fumaroles where, you know, like the sulfur is emitted into the water, and that is why the water is like this, and it's so beautiful. We finished our hike and we are at the meeting point now. So it basically we started at around 9 a.m. and it takes like 2 hours to reach the summit, and at summit you are allowed to spend 45 minutes. The view is quite beautiful, but I think there are more batches coming up, so they just allow 45 minutes. And then they have a meeting point at the base, so we have to reach the base by 12:30 in the afternoon. We have the mini museum at the base where they've spoken about the history of the island as well as the ecology of the island. And according to the description here, all the residents of these islands were moved by the government by 1974. The legend about this island goes back to 1820, where the early Chinese settlers from Fujian province came with around 300 people and settled here. By 1967, the number reached to 700 people, and eventually, because the island faces lot of extreme events like typhoons every year, and also people only had to rely on fisheries, and they could not build harbors, so the government had to relocate all these people to the mainland. And now this is after that it was taken up by military, and by 2000, so this is like just 2 decades ago, it was opened for public for tourism purposes. So this was the history that they had shown in the museum. And yeah, I think we are done. Right now I'm sitting at the most peaceful spot in Turtle Island, and this is the view. Since the entire tour is in Chinese, and I am very poor in understanding that, I get to spend my own time enjoying the nature. We are finally done with our trip, and there are a couple of restaurants around the harbor, and we came to eat fish here. From Tucheng we took bus bound to Jiaoxi because we wanted to try this specific ice cream. So this is there in many blogs. This is called Chili Corner. The shop's name is Chili Corner, and they have chili flavored ice creams, and they have like 7 grades in it. The 7th one is the highest, and we are going to try that. Let's see how it is. Ni hao, एक ची
很好吃啊，
啊ची
海辣哦。
好好
好，super spicy。
This is the super spicy version. Let's try.
दूसरा भी आइसक्रीम है, दूसरा भी आइसक्रीम है बिना
ये सारे मिर्ची वाले हैं. These are all. This is chocolate plus chili. Oh, all of them have chili, peanut and chili, taro and chili. And this is chili beer. Chili beer. The super spicy version, level 7 chili ice cream. क्या हुआ? Please don't try this. Super hot, extremely hot. It's burning my tongue.
मत करो
And I come from India where I love my spices. I cannot eat more than this.
कुछ और लो उधर से.
Yeah. I'm going to buy new ice cream. See you. Bye bye. But yeah, please try this outlet and don't go for grade 7. Probably go for a lighter grade.